Have you ever sewn perfectly straight strips like this together and ended up with a curved result like that? It'd be very frustrating. The reason this happens is because your sewing machine doesn't feed through your strips of fabric, the top and the bottom strip, at the exact same speed when you're sewing a seam. And when it's a long seam like this, the end result can be a little bit of fullness on one side or the other. And when that's multiplied over several seams, you can end up with a curved result like that. So I'm going to show you what to do in order to get rid of this problem. And this works on if you're going to sew a border on a quilt and you don't want to end up with some fullness on one side, you can use this same solution. So I'm going to tell you how to solve this problem. The first thing you need to do is to start out with pieces of fabric that are the exact same length. These pieces were cut just the width of fabric. And so different pieces of fabric will have slightly different lengths. And so the first thing I need to do with these pieces of fabric is to cut them to the exact same length. Okay, so now I have all 5 of these pieces of fabric are exactly the same length. If I were doing a border on a quilt, I would measure exactly the length of the quilt, the interior of the quilt I was trying to match, and then cut the border the exact length that it was supposed to be. I wouldn't just take a strip and sew as far as I needed to sew and then cut it off after I had sewn it on. I'd measure it, cut it beforehand, so I had the exact right length. So these are all the exact length that they need to be. I'm starting with the orange here. So I'm gonna, this is my first seam, is the orange and the green. And then all I need to do is just pin it. Make sure that the fabric stays in place. Pin the front, pin both ends. And it just takes a few pins. Pin the middle. And a couple more. That way your fabric isn't going to slide. Then I'll sew that, and the fabric will stay, your pieces will stay put without sliding or stretching on either side. And then I'll pin each seam, and it's going to stay nice and straight. So I sewed all these seams, pinned and sewed them all. I pressed it. My preference is to press the seams open. Gives a nice flat surface. I guess if one of these fabrics were really see-through, you might want to press the seams to the side, to the dark side. But with them pressed open, it's just a real nice smooth top to this piece. And you can see that this strip here is nice and straight compared to this other one that has a curve on it.